The Tesla Model S, particularly models from 2012 to 2020, commonly experiences rear drive unit failures. These issues affect the vehicle's performance and reliability. Symptoms include unusual noises like whining or grinding, power loss when accelerating, and in severe cases, complete drive failure. These failures stem from design flaws in the electric motor and gearbox components. Tesla has addressed this with recalls and over-the-air updates, but problems continue, especially in older vehicles with high mileage. The rear drive unit includes the motor and gearbox. Familiarizing yourself with these components helps in recognizing early signs of trouble. As of January 2026, understanding these common issues is essential for Tesla Model S owners. Key symptoms indicate potential RDU failure. Noise issues, like high-pitched whining, especially above 30 miles per hour, often result from bearing wear within the motor. Power loss is another critical indicator, signifying degraded windings or controller failures that limit torque delivery. Frequent, hard acceleration can exacerbate these issues. If you notice either symptom, further diagnostics are necessary. The rear drive unit, or RDU, is the heart of the Tesla Model S powertrain, integrating three critical components: the electric motor, the inverter, and the transmission. The electric motor generates torque to drive the wheels, the inverter converts DC battery power to AC for the motor, and the transmission handles power delivery through a single-speed gearbox. These components work together to provide the vehicle's propulsion. When issues arise in the RDU, the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system generates specific error codes to help identify problems. Common standard codes include P0A1D, which indicates motor torque performance issues. Tesla also uses custom diagnostic trouble codes, such as rear motor fault, which specifically points to rear motor failures. These codes are designed to help technicians quickly pinpoint whether the issue is in the motor, inverter, or transmission. To monitor for potential problems, owners can check the Tesla mobile app or vehicle touchscreen for error logs. The app displays active alerts and recent notifications, providing early warning of RDU issues before they become serious. Regularly reviewing these alerts allows for proactive maintenance, as codes like these help technicians diagnose and resolve RDU failures more efficiently, preventing complete breakdowns. Before seeking professional help for your Tesla Model S rear motor issues, start with basic troubleshooting steps to gather valuable information about the problem. Navigate to the vehicle's service menu on the touchscreen and perform a drive unit reset. This can clear temporary glitches and restore normal operation. Access the Tesla mobile app and check the vehicle's error logs. Look for codes related to the rear drive unit, such as P0A1D or custom Tesla diagnostics, to identify specific issues. Make notes about when symptoms appear. Does the noise occur at certain speeds? Does power loss happen during acceleration? Record mileage and environmental conditions to help technicians diagnose the issue. Remember, these initial troubleshooting steps are designed to gather information for your Tesla service team. While they might temporarily alleviate symptoms, they often cannot fix the root cause of rear motor failure. Professional repair involves disassembling the rear subframe to access the rear drive unit. Technicians use advanced tools like vibration analyzers to diagnose the specific issue. Repair costs can range from $5,000 to $8,000 without warranty coverage. Tesla service centers now prioritize rear drive unit diagnostics, with average repair times of 4 to 6 hours. Consider this the most effective approach to fully identifying and fixing the problem. Some Tesla owners attempt DIY repairs, such as replacing bearings, using readily available kits that cost between $200 and $500. However, this voids the warranty and carries a high risk of further damage if not performed correctly. Only consider DIY repairs if you possess advanced mechanical skills and understand the complex RDU system. While electric vehicles require minimal fluid maintenance, regular inspections can help prevent rear drive unit failures. Avoid extreme temperatures and frequent hard acceleration. Tesla is shifting towards predictive maintenance, using AI-driven diagnostics to anticipate failures before symptoms appear. Newer models with solid-state batteries experience reduced motor strain, lowering failure rates. Experts emphasize the Model S RDU's susceptibility to wear due to its pioneering design, which prioritizes efficiency but lacks redundant systems to handle long-term stress. Automotive engineers note that while Tesla can address software issues remotely, hardware failures require proactive intervention through recalls or replacements. Automotive engineers recommend annual thermal imaging scans to detect hotspots in the RDU. This non-invasive technique uses infrared cameras to identify areas of excessive heat, which can indicate bearing wear, motor degradation, or other issues before they cause failure. Early detection allows for timely maintenance, preventing costly breakdowns. By understanding the symptoms, causes, and available solutions, Model S owners can proactively manage and address potential RDU failures, ensuring continued vehicle performance. Monitor for unusual noises or power loss. Recognize that wear from the pioneering design is common and utilize professional diagnostics and repairs. Stay updated with Tesla's service bulletins and consult official service centers for vehicle-specific issues to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage. Maintaining your Tesla Model S RDU requires vigilance and expertise. Regular checkups and awareness of these issues will help keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come.